Today we're at 460 Peppertree Terrace in Pensacola. Coming into the home, you see we enter into the living area, a nice fireplace there. Hallway in front of us. If we take an immediate left, we enter into the dining area. Double window there. Tile flooring in the dining area. If we walk through the dining room, we'll be into the kitchen. On the left, you have your access to the garage. Kitchen is galley style with stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator. And then a microwave there on the counter. Coming through the kitchen, we'll be back out in the living area. We'll take it left and go down the hallway. This is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We'll take a right here and be in the first of 3 bedrooms. We'll turn back, there's your closet area, and then your entrance back into the hallway. Directly across from this bedroom is your first of 2 bathrooms. You can see there your vanity, your tub shower combo. Come out of this bathroom and continue down the hallway. On the right, we have the 2nd bedroom. We'll come in and show you a shot back. Closet area and storage there, and then back toward the hallway. Coming out of this bedroom and directly across is your master bedroom. Nice size bedroom. We'll walk through and take a left, and you'll be in the master bathroom. There's your counter space, double vanities. Then you have a separate room for the tub and commode area of the master suite. Tub shower combo in here as well. Coming out of this master bathroom, we'll be back into the master bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom. Turning back, we'll go into the hallway and back toward the living area. Again, this is 460 Peppertree Terrace in Pensacola, Florida. It's offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588, or you can visit our website at barronspm.com.